Hi students, in this video we will solve this problem. Angle of elevation of top of a building from foot of the tower is 30 degrees and the angle of elevation of top of a tower from foot of the building is 60. Okay, see there is a building and there is a tower. Okay, we don't know which one is taller or which one is bigger. What is given? The angle of elevation of top of a building. Suppose this is the building and this is the tower. See, angle of elevation of top of a building from foot of the tower is 30. So this is the foot of the tower. Somebody is observing the top of a building from foot of the tower and the angle of elevation is how much? 30 degrees. Okay. And the angle of elevation of top of a tower from foot of the building is 60 degrees. Somebody is observing the top of a tower from foot of the building and the angle of elevation is how much? 60 degrees. Alright. What is the ratio of the heights of the building? What is the ratio of height of the building and tower? Okay, see, if height of the building is h1 and if height of the tower is h2, we need to find their ratio. We need to find h1 divided by h2. h1 divided by h2 is how much? Not height of the tower and building. It is building and tower. So building and tower, h1 divided by h2, not h2 divided by h1. Okay. Let us find out. Let us name this diagram A, B, C and this is D. Okay, we have two right angle triangles A, B and this is equal to C. Okay, this is building and we took the height as h1 and this is 30 degrees. Alright. We have one more right angle triangle, right? One more right angle triangle. Let me draw it here. This is D, C and this is B and this is H2 we took and what is the angle? 60 degrees. Alright. See, common side is BC. Common side is BC. Alright. So, we will find BC here and substitute that BC here. Or what we'll do is we'll equate BC because BC's here are equal, right? We'll equate BC, we'll get the value of H1 divided by H2. Alright. Let us see that. So this is the opposite side. Angle is here, so this one will be the opposite side and this one will be the adjacent side. Opposite and adjacent is in tan formula, right? Sine, cos, tan. So it is old hero and his old acting. Cosecant, secant, cot. So tan is in, opposite and adjacent is in tan as well as in cot. So we can either use tan or cot. So we will use tan. Tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. So this is h1 divided by BC. Okay. Now what is the value of tan 30? It is 1 by root 3. So this is 1 by root 3 is equal to h1 by BC. So if you cross multiply, BC will be equal to root 3 divided by h1. Okay. BC is equal to root 3 divided by h1. Alright, let us come to this triangle. Okay, again we can use tan because this is the opposite side and we are considering BC, right? So this is the adjacent side. Opposite adjacent is in tan. Tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite is h2 divided by adjacent is BC. Tan 60 is root 3. So this is h2 divided by BC. Or if you cross multiply, see root 3 will come here, right? So BC is equal to h2 by root 3. Okay. We have this. BC is root 3 h1. BC here is h2 by root 3. Okay. So what can we do? We can equate this two. Because this is also BC, this is also BC. Or we could have substituted this BC value here. Root 3 h1. Okay. Even this is also correct. Let us equate this two. So this and this are equal, right? BC and BC are equal, which means root 3 h1 should be equal to h2 by root 3. So root 3 h1 is equal to h2 by root 3. This root 3 will come here. It is h2 divided by root 3 multiplied by root 3. So this will be h2 by 3. Okay. So what do we have now? We have h2 divided by 3. So this is h2 divided by 3. What do we need to find? h1 divided by h2. So So that means this h2 should be here in the denominator, right? So this will come here, it will be h1 divided by h2 is equal to 1 will be left here, don't make that mistake, 1 by 3. So the ratio of height of the building and height of the tower is 1:3. It is 1:3. Alright, I hope you understood this problem. See you in the next video.